GYEON Prep Redefined 4-liter is a dedicated surface cleaner that reliably strips away polishing oils and wax residue so ceramic coatings can bond to a truly bare finish. In use, it noticeably improves coating adhesion, helping ceramic layers cure more evenly and deliver longer-lasting protection on paint, glass, and trim. The formula is gentle enough for modern clear coats, plastic, carbon fiber, and paint protection film, while still flashing off cleanly without streaks or smearing. Its fast evaporation makes panel wipe downs between polishing and coating application quick and efficient, which is especially valuable when working in larger garages or on multiple vehicles. Detailers will appreciate that it behaves consistently even in ideal conditions, giving repeatable results and a uniform gloss once the coating is applied. The generous 4-liter size suits enthusiasts and professionals who want a dependable, pro-grade prep spray on hand for regular ceramic coating work.